Today we're unboxing a USAutomatic Ranger 1, part number 020510. This is the AC version. Let's see what we got here. Everything's nicely packaged. We got the control box here, obviously. Inside the control box we have, you already have the board mounted just back out these screws here. Inside the box we already have our control board, our solar controller or battery controller, our receiver, as well as the siren. And inside this one we already have the battery harness sitting there ready. Here's our DC adapter. If you had the solar version, there'd be a solar panel instead. In this box we have our photo eyes with the mounting kit. We have our two remotes that come with it. All of our mounting hardware, including the gate bracket. And then lastly, we have our actuator arm. This is the new style, complete with harness, ready to go. It has the mounts for side mount or upright mount. That's everything you need to install one.